As America's first Mercedes-Benz Sprinter-based camper van, the Winnebago Era launched a revolution in RV travel. Today, the Era continues to set the standard for refined luxury touring. 3 stylish floor plans seat up to 7 and feature ample interior storage, including Italian Technoform overhead cabinets. And on the 70A floor plan, slide-out storage is accessible from inside or through the rear doors. The Era takes full advantage of its powerful, fuel-efficient Mercedes-Benz chassis, with available 4-wheel drive and a full suite of safety features, as well as the infotainment system with voice interface. Once you arrive, the adjustable cab seats swivel to provide more lounge seating, and the attractive galley includes everything you need to prepare your favorite meals. Then head outside, deploy the powered awning, and relax with your favorite tunes. Or take in a show. When night falls, the Era provides comfortable sleeping in the powered sofa bed, or our flex bed, which converts from twin beds to a comfortable queen bed. Dial in the temperature and dim the lights. Tomorrow's adventure is just down the road in your Winnebago Era.